Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can complete the Christmas Express quest in Fish It. So I'm going to show you the locations of the hidden train wheel so you can get the Christmas Express back on track and claim your exclusive event rewards. So to start the quest, you can just enter the Christmas Island, and then from this big Christmas tree you can just go left until you find the train, and then you need to talk to Leo in here, and you'll be asked to search for the train wheel. So you need to search for 4 train wheel. So I already got 2, and to get the train wheel you just need to enable the fishing radar. So if you don't have the fishing radar, you need to buy it first in the Fisherman Island. Here, enable it first, okay, and after that you can just go search for it. You can find it in front of the Christmas Island. So there are a few spots. The first one is in front of the Fisherman Island. You'll see the green spot like this, and the next one you can just go here, follow the train wheel in here, and you'll find another spots in here. You also see the spot like train wheel, so you can just go fish in here to get the train wheel like this. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. So I'll see you in the next one.